In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Microsoft Excel with Google Sheets in just 5 minutes. To begin this process, first, you'll need to open the Google Sheet that you wish to connect to Excel. With your Google Sheet open, you'll navigate to the menu bar at the top where you'll find the File option. Click on File, then hover over Share, and from there, select Publish to Web. This step is crucial as it transforms your Google Sheet into a format that Excel can read. Next, you'll encounter a dialog window. Here, you need to choose the specific sheet within your Google document that you want to share. If you have multiple sheets, make sure you're selecting the one you intend to connect to Excel. This ensures that you're only sharing the data you want, keeping your workflow streamlined. Once you've selected your desired sheet, you'll see an option for Format. Here, it's important to select the format that suits your needs. Common choices include CSV or XLSX, but this depends on what you find most compatible with your Excel needs. Now, proceed to click Publish. Doing so will generate a URL. This link is the key to linking your Google Sheets data with Excel. Make sure to copy this URL, as you'll be pasting it into Excel shortly. Now that you have your Google Sheets data set up and the URL ready, open your Excel workbook and navigate to the Data tab. Here you should see an option that says Get Data. Click on it, and then from the resulting drop-down, choose From Other Sources, and further select From Web. A dialog box will pop up on your screen asking for the web address. This is where you'll paste the URL you previously copied from your Google Sheets. After pasting the URL, simply click OK. Excel will now load the data from the URL, and you should see your Google Sheets data appear inside the Power Query editor in Excel. Once it appears, you can see your data and make any additional transformations or modifications if necessary. You now have your data from Google Sheets in Excel, and it's linked, meaning any updates on the Google Sheet will reflect in Excel when refreshed. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully connected Microsoft Excel with Google Sheets. You can now work seamlessly between both platforms, leveraging the cloud-based capabilities of Google Sheets with the powerful desktop processing of Excel. Perfect for enhancing productivity and data management.